Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Southern Coastal Highway that runs between Harborview in St. Andrew to Port Antonio in Portland. Now we are at 11 miles in Bull Bay, and what you're looking at is a bridge that was built because from this section the road goes over the hill to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So this is a new road that was built. So let's go through the alignment quickly. From Harborview to 11 miles, the road will run along the existing roadway, and that roadway will be upgraded to 4 lanes. Now from 11 miles where we are to the Suncoast Adventure Park, this is the road that you would drive on. So this road is a new road that was built over the hill. So we're going to take a look at the section from 11 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the road will run along the existing roadway that will be upgraded to 4 lanes. And then from Albion Heights to Grants Pen, the road takes a new alignment over the hill. And then from Grants Pen to the Yallow's Bridge, it runs along the existing roadway, which will be upgraded to 4 lanes. So basically, from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge, the highway is 4 lanes. And then from the Yallow's Bridge to Port Antonio, some sections will be 4 lanes, some sections will be 2 lanes. So we are driving on the section from 11 miles Bull Bay to the Suncoast Adventure Park. So this is the new road that has been built, and they had stated that this road would be finished by April 2023. And now, driving on this section, it's so obvious it's not going to be finished by April 2023. I would go as far as to say, well, I'm not going to say, it's impossible. Look at the road. So it was stated in Parliament by the Prime Minister that the section of the road from the Harborview Bridge to the Yallow's Bridge would be finished by April 2023. But this section, which is a major part of the road, is not even paved yet. Look at the left. I mean, I don't know if that's a landslide or what, but you can't drive on that side of the road. I'm not sure what's going on. So I am beginning to believe now that April 2023 was a mistake. I don't think they meant April 2023, because there is no way this road will be finished in 21 days. No way. Although they did say, I think the exact words were practical completion or something like that. But we're going to keep you guys updated. We'll come out here every week, give you weekly videos, weekly updates as to what's going on until the end of April. Oh, well, they've paved this side of the road. So, wait, maybe we misspoke. No, but the concrete barricade has not even been fully put in. Okay, I don't know which side to go on now. This side seems paved also. But 21 days just seems like a short time. Well, this section of the road seems finished. It's just to put in the white line and maybe some cleaning up on the left. Not sure if they're putting in... Yeah, there's some steel sticking out, so maybe they're going to put in something on the left. But this roadway, this section seems finished. Well, maybe the end of April is not that far off. I mean, even if they don't finish by the end of April, it might be close to the end of April. Somewhere, because this road is finished. The section we drove at the beginning was not paved, but that's a small section. So guys, what do you think? What do you guys think of this road being completed by the end of April? Because this section, as we said, it's practically finished. I'm just gonna want to show you guys something. Now, no other road in Jamaica can give you this kind of view. This is the most scenic route you're going to have on a highway, or the most scenic view. When you're coming off the Edward Siaga Highway getting into Miami Bay, you have a very nice view. But this one has so much more. Wow, this is a really nice highway. And you notice it's not just one side that's finished, it's both sides. Maybe we jumped the gun when we said it's impossible for this highway to finish by the end of April. Because we hadn't driven on this side, I thought the entire stretch of this road was like how it was at the beginning of the video where we started to drive over the bridge. Alright guys, let us know what you think about this highway and the completion date. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.